My name is Breigh Morgan. I am one of the physical therapist assistants here at BSPT. I'm going to introduce our wonderful guest here in a moment. I'm excited to share her experience at BSPT with everyone. Those of you that are tuning in right now, hope you have had a great day. We've had a pretty exciting day here at BSPT. Our boss and fearless leader, Mr. Ron Barkman, got locked in the bathroom today and then managed to lock himself also in our back conference room. So that was a pretty entertaining day for us. We all got a good chuckle out of that. So we've now had to call the locksmith twice today for new locks. So that definitely gave us all a laugh today. I want to take the time and send a special thanks to everyone who likes, comments, shares Barkman Smith Physical Therapy content with those you care, value, and serve. It means a lot to us. We want to hear from you as well. Please share details on what physical, occupational topics you would like us to cover. We are here for you. So again, I've been looking forward to introducing this awesome person sitting beside me. I just want to start out by saying thank you to her for her time and effort being with us this evening. Everyone, this is the wonderful Amber, a former patient of ours at BSPT. Now, before you ask me any questions, I have a couple questions for you.
Okay.
So can you share your experience working with BSPT with us?
Yes, of course. Thanks for asking.
Yeah.
I think it was an amazing experience. Everyone was super welcoming, and I have wonderful treatment, and now I'm able to walk perfectly, and I have wonderful friends that I get to experience and talk to now, here and then.
Any words of encouragement for viewers thinking about using our services?
Of course. I definitely recommend Barkman Smith Physical Therapy. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and I think it's a wonderful experience, and you should definitely use Barkman Smith Physical Therapy.
All right, it's my turn. I'm on the hot seat.
Okay, sounds good. What's your favorite thing about working in physical therapy?
I would say, obviously, I enjoy helping patients and getting them to where they need to be, but I also just like connecting with them on a personal level, getting to know their backstory, different cultures, different values, so that's always exciting for me to learn, just kind of be able to talk to them while you're stretching them or working with them and kind of get to know them on a personal level.
Okay, sounds nice. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Southlake, Texas,
Okay.
So go Dragons.
What is your favorite thing to do?
I would say I love to travel, watch sports, and cook. Try out new recipes in my spare time.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
I would say pizza, but you have to have a side of ranch. Us living in Texas, ranch is life, so you've got to have ranch on the side.
Okay, as a healthcare provider, what is your favorite body part to treat?
Probably knees, just because I had my own ACL reconstruction surgery in high school, so I am probably the most familiar with that, and I feel like I can kind of relate to the patients on a certain level. I know the pain and the issues they're going through with the exercises from my own personal experience.
Yeah, okay. Why did you become a physical therapist assistant?
Well, kind of stemming from my own injury in high school, I spent months with my own PT doing rehab and getting back to playing sports, so I kind of got an inside look at the therapy world, and I just really liked it and kind of combining like the sports medicine aspect, and like I said before, I just like connecting with people and helping people reach their therapeutic goals, so it's kind of always why I wanted to get into it.
What is a little known fact that people will be surprised to know about you?
I used to, well, I kind of still do once in a while at Christmas, but I play the piano and I used to play percussion growing up.
Oh, wow.
So most people probably wouldn't know that about me.
Oh, fun. What sports did you play, and did you have any sports injury?
Growing up, I played soccer and basketball, and then tore my ACL playing basketball. So, and then of course, I'm the youngest of three, and my brother played so I grew up playing all sports in the backyard and whatnot. So,
What is your favorite place to travel?
oh, That's a tough one. I grew up traveling a lot. Probably in the U.S., maybe like Lake Tahoe or the mountains or in the
Never
lake.
been.
But I really enjoyed traveling through Europe too. I've been fortunate enough to travel over there a lot. So
That sounds amazing.
Probably Europe.
Where did you go to school?
Well, my undergrad, I went to the University of Texas. So go Longhorns, even though Amber over here is a Baylor Bear. So we had lots of conversations about that when she was in therapy.
Yeah.
And then for my PTA school, I went to a school in Houston, down in the Med Center there.
Okay. Favorite sports or favorite teams?
Well, obviously the Longhorns.
Goodness.
Anything Longhorns. And then obviously being from Dallas, I'm a fan of all the Dallas teams, even when the Cowboys break my heart every year. So
Yeah.
unfortunately, I keep coming back for more pain every year with them. But, So pretty much any Dallas team or the Longhorns.
Okay. If you were a superhero, what superhero would you be? Or superpower would you be?
Probably to be invisible. That would be cool.
That would be a great superpower. If you were not a PTA, what would you be?
Probably something in sports or with working with a sports team, or maybe like something to do with traveling.
I could see that. How long have you been working with Barkman Smith Physical Therapy?
About almost 2.5 years now.
Okay. What other clinic settings have you worked in?
Well, pretty much just outpatient, since this was my first job out of school.
Oh,
but
nice.
I did rotations in acute care and pediatrics and aquatic therapy, which was really interesting. So, but mainly outpatient setting.
Okay. What is your favorite thing about working at Barkman Smith Physical Therapy?
Probably all the people, getting to know everybody,
Yeah.
and it's like a family here. So, just all the laughs we have every day, especially today,
Yeah.
was a good one. So probably I would say all the people and getting to know everybody.
Sounds fun. How do you feel about How do you feel about the Packers?
I know this is probably a John question, but you know, they're not my favorite since Aaron Rodgers seems to have the Cowboys number every year we play them, but they're not my most hated team.
Okay,
but,
okay.
You know.
I won't believe you.
If you had a fancy dinner, who would you invite?
Oh gosh. Maybe probably some athletes. Probably.
Yeah.
I really like. I'm a big fan of like the U.S. women's soccer team, so
Okay.
probably like some from there, or probably
that'd be
maybe
fun.
some like former Cowboy, maybe like Troy Aikman or something. Some of the former Cowboys, and some probably athletes since I watch a lot of sports. Former Longhorns or something. So.
Of course, of course. Where would you like to travel that you haven't traveled before?
I would say I've never been to any South American countries, so maybe like Argentina or somewhere down there would be fun.
Are you a fashionista? I'm sorry.
It's for glory.
Okay, I'm maybe in the middle. Like I do like to shop and I like
Okay.
new clothes and stuff, but I'm not like crazy
Yeah.
about fashion, like hitting the runways or anything, any fashion show.
Oh.
What about you? Are you a fashionista?
Oh, definitely. Fashionista, yes. How would you describe your approach to patient care?
Like I said before, I like to connect with them on get to know them. How was your weekend? What
Right.
what have you been up to? And kind of from there, connect with them personally. And I feel like that kind of gives you a better rapport with the patients, and then you can from there guide their exercises and their plan and what they're doing and stuff.
Yeah, I totally agree. I feel like that was a good part of Barkman Smith.